Hey everybody, welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video in Plasticity. My name is Mike and today we're going to be modeling some car shocks, right? So we're going to start with our coil, and for that we're simply going to click on the spiral tool here. We're going to click on our base. We're going to move up until we have the approximate height. We're going to click there, and then we're going to just pull the mouse outwards and click once again. Now I'm happy with the width. I do need, actually it's a bit big. Let's make that a little bit less. Let's try 9. That's a bit better, right? And then the turns, I want to do about 10. I click on OK and accept. There you go. Now with this in the screen, I'm going to hit P on the keyboard to activate the pipe tool. Then we can pull this out and give it some thickness. Let's not go crazy. Let's do, yeah, that looks about right. And click on OK. All right, cool. Now, next up, we're gonna work on the bottom part. And for the bottom part, we need a cylinder. So we're gonna go to our base right here. We're gonna pull that out. And let's have a look from the top here. All right, click on OK. We're going to S the scale. We're going to bring that in. We want that just a tad larger than our spring, right? Like that. That looks fine. And let's see, from here, what we're going to do next is we're going to grab this face and we're going to pull it out, give it some more depth. There you go. And I'm just looking at how I'm going to approach it. This looks fine. Then we're going to grab a new cylinder and we're going to put that right here and raise that up. Click on OK. Then we're going to hit R to rotate, flip that down, set that to 90. We're going to go and move to this view. We're going to hit G to pull it down. And we're going to get in a bit closer. S to scale, this needs to be a lot smaller to, I would say, about there. All right. G to move that down. There you have it. Click on OK. Then we're going to move that. Let's hit S to scale to make that a bit longer. There you go. And then what we can do is click on this guy, hit Q on our keyboard, and then we're gonna click on this guy and click on OK. So we now have that hole in place. We're gonna go and grab the edge tool. Click 1, click 2. Let's do a fillet. That looks good. Then we're going to jump to this view here. We're going to grab a spline curve and we're going to go in. And we're going to right click. We're going to do Alt X to mirror that over. There you go. Click on OK. Then we're going to grab both of these curves, hit G, move them forward. All right. Then with both selected, we're going to hit C for cut. We're going to click on this object right here. Click on OK. All right. So now we're going to go in here and grab this and delete that and delete that. And we're going to go in here and hide the curves. All right, cool. So now that we have that, we're going to go in here and we are going to cut some more from this end. So I'll grab another curve. And we'll do Alt X to mirror that over. to that position. Then we're going to go and grab them both. G to move them out. Like so. Click on OK. Hit C once again. Click on this guy again. Click on OK. Go in here. We're going to delete this and delete this and hide our curves. So that's what we got going on down here. Looks okay. Then we need to put in a ring, right? So for that, we're just going to grab this guy here. We're going to go in and we're going to click and drag. And let's position that properly, raise it up a little bit. Click on OK. Hit O for offset. That's going to be our rubber ring, pretty much. Click on OK. Then we're going to go in here to face mode and we're going to click on this guy. We're going to start to extrude, and as we do so, hit tab. So we'll get something like this. That looks good. Click on OK. Then we're going to go in and grab these edges. And I want that rounded over. Click on OK. Then I want to go back in. Something similar, except in this case it's just going to be a simple ring. So we're going to hit O again for offset. Like that. That's fine. Go into face mode. Select this, and then what we're going to do is, and now I'm starting from this end, that's fine. I'm just going to push that out, and I'll check from this view so I can see whether I got equal distance. That looks all right. Let's hide these. So that seems to be okay, in my opinion anyway. So there's that, and here what we're going to do is we're going to grab this face and we're going to click on O for offset. All right, click on OK. Then we're going to go in here and select that outer face. To about there. That's good. Okay. Then next up is we need a top section, obviously. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a cylinder. I'm going to start right here. All right. We're going to go over here. We're going to hit G and we're going to move that in. Let me get in closer. All right, we're going to hit G, we're going to move that up. And that's going to be in here till about And then I'm gonna grab that top face, maybe not just yet, well, why not? And we'll pull that up a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is go in here, grab these solids, and hit Alt X, mirror them up. That's not what I had in mind. Let's do Shift D instead. We're going to rotate that around to 90. Okay, then we're going to grab all of that. Click on OK first. Hit G, move that down. Let's have a look. All right. Then what we're going to do is create a new cylinder. And let me do that from the top view. Get that a little bit of thickness. Click on OK. We're going to move that up. Let's move that to our center here. Move that down. Then we're going to scale that. Then we're going to go in. And we're going to take this guy and hit Q. And then we're going to go back in, click on OK first. And we're going to do a small fillet there. That's okay. And that looks okay as well. And then we're going to go in here and grab this face. And we're going to hit O for offset. And do something like this. Then we're going to go and grab this face. And we're going to pull that down. Still looking okay, I would say. Then we need a thin cylinder. And I'm just looking at this guy, and this is a bit too thick for my liking. And of course, I just combine these two. So let me just hit Control Z a couple of times. Looks like I can't undo that. That's fine. I'll get it sorted. Or actually I did. Yeah, cool. All right. Okay, so we're going to go in here and we're going to hit S to scale. And I'm going to bring that down a bit. That looks a bit more realistic. And then we're going to hit G to move that up until that is lined up. All right. Click on OK. Then we're going to go back in. Select these two, Q and Q. Go in here, click on OK first, grab this, something like that. Then we're going to go in here, we're going to grab this face, hit O, click on OK, then grab that face, pull that down. That looks pretty good. Then we need a thin cylinder. That needs to go to the center. All right, so we're going to hit the G, we're going to move that in. Click on OK. It's going to go in there. I think that's good lengthwise, yeah. All right. And then finally, we need one more cylinder. And we're going to go and create that here. Raise that up. Then we're going to click on OK. We're going to grab that top face, hit scale. Why is that not working? Because I wasn't paying attention. There you go. Click on OK. Let's go to edges. Let's grab this guy and this guy. Come on. And put in a fillet. Then we're going to grab this in object mode. Hit G. Move that in. Click on OK. Hit G, move that up ever so slightly. And there you have it, right? So I said shocks, so multiple, right? So we're just gonna grab all this, hit Shift D, and move that over. So now we have a set, okay? All right, cool. Well, thanks for hanging out as always. I hope you are enjoying the series, and if you are, then consider subscribing to the channel, right? That would mean the world to me. I mean, without subscribers, there's really no point in me making these videos, right? Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.